This is Project Georgica, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 soft top built to our client's exact specification. Georgica is painted in full gloss Arles blue with black accents. Georgica sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a multi-point soft top, classic front bumper, E.C.D custom steering guard in black, and 4 LED round spotlights up front. Inside, Georgica features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with mole bomber gauges, 2 Puma modular front seats, a 60/40 split mid-row, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond Garrett, Torino Caviar, and Chelsea grey leather stitched together in black. Georgica is powered by our GM LT1 450 horsepower V8 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern elements such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC, and access to USB ports throughout.